Hi everyone. Today we are going to list two kinds of edible plants that would give you the most return on your investment in gardening. These also happen to be the easiest plants to grow, which makes them perfect for beginner gardeners. And you do not need a huge garden, a few containers would do. The first type is what always costs so much, and we most commonly have it as a side for most of our meals. We are talking about salad greens. They are ridiculously easy to grow. With the cost of buying one bunch of any of these greens, you can buy a seed packet instead and grow a lot of these to get continuous harvest. These would grow even in shade. Lettuce and kale are two perfect types to grow. Start with two containers for each type. When the first container starts producing leaves, sow a second container. By the time first container runs out of life, the second one would start producing. At this point, you plant more seeds in first container so that this cycle keeps going on. This is called as succession planting. Also, when harvesting, don't harvest the whole plant. Harvest only the outer leaves, and that way the same plant will keep giving harvest for longer duration. The second crop is this right here. These are hardly 3 or 4 basil plants. You can make thousands of these plants in much less, and they grow wonderfully in containers. It is not just basil, but any other herb. They are very easy to grow and they always are so expensive to purchase. You can also reuse the container soil when doing succession planting by following the steps on the video that I've put on the screen. So do check it out.